Okay, I'm gonna do a very quick tour. That's our room number. That's the view from outside. And then you come in and you have a closet. Sorry, this is my last day, so normally there's some blankets and stuff right there, some drawers, and you have some hangers and an iron. I don't think there's anything in the drawer. Then you have a refrigerator. Just full size refrigerator. Freezer. And then you have like a nice kitchen. Comes with pots, pans, coffee mugs, some more plates, dishes, and then it comes with a pot, some pot lids and stuff, some silverware, a sink, a toaster, a coffee maker. Coffee is not included, like the packets. They usually leave them right here, but the maid service took it, and there's usually 2 bottles of water, Evian and that. I don't know why that's gone, but okay. Then there's the blender. Comes with this wine bottle opener. Then you have a nice little kitchen area. Sorry again for the mess. We are literally checking out. We've been here for, I think, 5 days now. So this is what the view looks like over here. Sorry if it's rushed. And then you have a balcony out there. Another balcony here, because this is a corner unit. And so that's really nice and big. And then here's your view. Downstairs, just so you get a quick, because I'm not going to be able to do an actual tour. So you have the pool here. There's a restaurant here that you get your continental breakfast. You have some lounge, like some beach stuff. Here's the beach area, obviously. And then you have they make like tacos and things right here. And there's another little restaurant right there. What else? That's all we actually experienced here. At night, we leave all the windows open, all the doors, and it's, oh my God, the ocean just sounds so beautiful. Okay. Now we are going to the other bathroom. There's 2 bathrooms here. And here's the shower, a toilet, bath. You get pool towels, things like that, a hair dryer, a mirror. There's the bed, full size, super comfortable, really comfortable. And then here's your view. Here, this is also another of our balcony, so I'll show you that. This is the view from here. It's a huge patio. This is the room it looks like from here. You have a nice little vanity right here, and then you have a closet, nice big closet area. I mean, it's average size. Not a lot of hangers, so I won the battle with this closet. I would prefer more hangers, because, you know. And then here's the bathroom. Just go this way. So there's obviously the bath, toilet. Nothing's in here. Again, I'm literally just packing up my stuff, so I'm so sorry. You have a nice area. Lighting's good here. Did my makeup in here a whole bunch of times. And you have a gigantic, I can't even explain to you how big this bathtub is. It's gigantic. And you have a shower. The water pressure is amazing. The cleanliness of the hotel is fantastic. The only complaint that I have is that the toilet paper is scented. I don't like scented, and I don't know why they have scented toilet paper, but it is what it is. But yeah, super clean. Everybody was very nice here. This was just a wonderful, wonderful stay. I would definitely highly recommend it. It's clean, smells clean when you come in. Yeah, it was just a great stay. Okay, I gotta go because I gotta catch a flight. Bye.